image or your design for your button that you can make. So the button maker, the button has to be at least three, 2.5 inches, but you have to expand it to be 3 inches or more, so you can cut it out and make sure the center of your image will be clear and be able to be seen on the button. So you select your image and you can go up to the sizing to size it from the length and the width, and this is probably the best way to resize it, or you can manually move it to the side. So you hit the back switch and it should turn on the red activate button. You gently lift the protective plastic shield, and then you start layering your button pieces. So you place the backing on the bed right here. Then the next layer would be the rounded top of it, and that goes on top of the bed. Your printed image for your button goes up next. And then the final piece will be the plastic mylar. Okay, you can cut. So you turn on the power button, you close protective lid, and then you hit activate to do the button press. Then you lift up the protective lid, you shut off the power button. So you pop your finished button out the lever, and here you have a beautiful button.